dragon? Are you a dragon slayer or something?
No, you are. No, you are back in.
Oh my goodness. Come on in. I have a...
No, you are back.
What are you doing, Bryce?
Playing.
Playing.
Yeah, playing with my friends.
Those are the Thomas toys you got for Christmas?
Yeah, these are Thomas and friends.
Thomas and Friends.
They're called Thomas and friends.
Yeah? Where's the chair that Grandpa made you for Christmas? There?
Yeah.
Did Grandpa make that with his bare hands?
No, with a tree out of tree wood.
He made it out of tree wood?
And that's cool.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. But anytime the friends come in there, get me, and Brady, and Edward.
And Edward, too?
Yeah, it was Edward.
I don't know. He's around here somewhere.